welcome back to my channel again. So after those 30 days challenge, you can actually watch all of them. I still have to put them in playlist. Today is actually going to be another watercolor. Again, very simple stippling, just application of colors. I'll explain everything about that, but before that,
Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people.
hi, welcome back. So this is the house, like Greek side of house, very white wall. Just concentrate on the light and shadows. Very important. This is where that effect actually comes from. Hard shadows, not the soft shadows. So light is from top right, and then the shadows are on the left side. So left side wall is actually it's white even on the right hand side, but I think I felt that maybe my color was a little bit darker, so it is supposed to be very light blue. I've just put it as it's under shade, so where light doesn't reach. So that's the intention. If not, you can put just the wash of just light blue, and then the left side one just leave it as is. And then main thing is the shadow of the trees, the branches, and then the shadow of those branches just in front of the door, and then shadows of uh, the steps. Those are all important. For the shadow, it's just crimson and cool shadows I've taken. Crimson and ultramarine blue, those are the two colors that I've mixed. So if you concentrate on those, above all, the main thing is it's a 2 point perspective. So from the right side actually it goes on one, and the left side also it goes from join, they both join to certain vanishing points. So if you don't understand that concept, because while looking at it actually you can see that lines are going towards downwards and upwards depending on the eye level. There is a course that above 8 hours, 8 plus hours of course is there, where I've covered everything from 1, 2 and a little bit of 3 point perspective. So it covers most of the things. Go through that. The link is in the description below. Apart from that, I've just taken the concept as line and wash, although I could have just gone ahead with the pencil itself. So it's just up to you. If you want to just use pencil, use pencil. I've just used pen, waterproof pen, and then used watercolor for washes. Very rich colors. Stippling method, just stipple. You can actually use even toothbrush, or use your brush itself to just spray some paint, so it gives you regular shape. Or otherwise you can use sea sponge also you can use just to get that effect, but try to apply one after the other. I have applied those colors while it is still wet. If not, you can wait for that to dry and then again apply the flowers. And then for the flowers, I have applied the second layer as little bit darker, so wherever light reaches, it's lighter and darker both the colors. I've included only one color, magenta. So if you follow along, it will be a very good exercise for even beginners. Light and shadow perspective, everything is there in that. So just make sure that the lines are actually perfect according to perspective, and then try your best and let me know how it turns out for you. And then I'll post, like I said, every Sunday is going to be live for now. And two more videos will be there. Either it is based on watercolor or otherwise acrylic. That will be on Tuesday and Friday and Sunday is the live. So hope I'll see you on Sunday too. Last Sunday actually it was very good, so you can actually watch that. It was Rocky Beach. And then I'll see you in my next video.